Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today. This is the Common Camp Kitchen.
Hit it.
And this is just a step up from your average camp table. It's got this extra shelf on top, a really simple folding action. It packs up nice and flat. Makes that your camp kitchen setup just a little more versatile without going to too much extra bulk and weight in your vehicle. Now the camp kitchen comes all assembled as you see here. This all packs up flat inside an included carry bag, which measures about 90 centimeters in length, about 50 centimeters in width here, and about 9 centimeters in depth. So a nice flat object to pack inside your car. Now it's made from, the tabletop here and the shelf up the top here is made from a blow molded polyethylene. And the steel components throughout, which runs around the bottom of the shelf here, these supports here, and I'll just tip it over so we can see underneath. Got the legs on the side here, and the supports all underneath here are all a blow molded steel. So combination of material. What you can see here is the blow molded feature on the bottom of the table that gives it its rigidity without being too heavy. And while we're down here, just at the back here, when it's folded, there is this little nylon carry handle here, so it's easy to carry to and from the campsite. Now there's not many other features to show here. When it folds up, this sort of folds flat, but I guess you could use it flat like that if you didn't want the shelf up in the campsite, but ideally you'd have it up. And they've actually incorporated a bit of a lip around the edge of both the shelves here, so if you are doing any food prep or you've got something on here, if it rolls, it's not going to go past this little lip here, and that also features on the shelf at the top here as well. The lip that runs around here, around the back, and across to the other side, and that finishes just short of the front edge here. Now regarding the height, it's 81 centimeters to the tabletop here, another 21 centimeters to the top here, so a total about 102 centimeters to this or the top of this shelf here. The bench top is about 87 centimeters in length, 50 centimeters in depth this way, and the shelf up here obviously also 87 centimeters in length and about 21 centimeters in depth for that guy. And just for interest's sake, this top shelf here is supported by these little chocks here, so these are screwed into the frame. There's two arms here to support the top shelf, and they just come back and support against this to stop it going back any further. Now the table itself, they say, has got a 100 kilo weight rating. Probably wouldn't want to be testing the limits of that. I think that's just for here. I'm not sure this guy here has got a 100 kilo weight rating. That is pretty much all the details and info on the Common Camp Kitchen. This is a really great step up from just an average second table that you might be looking at for inside your camp kitchen, because you get this extra storage here, you get these little lips and stuff, so really good for food preparation inside your camp kitchen. You can check these out online at snowys.com.au, where you'll find them at the lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all the latest information, or check out some other cool Common products like this one down here.